The indigenous and Native American people are facing a potential second genocide, this time through their children. One decision by the United States Supreme Court this spring could impact the lives of thousands of Native children and tribal sovereignty overall. The Supreme Court is expected to issue a ruling on Brackeen v. Holland by June 2023, deciding the fate of the Indian Child Welfare Act, or ICWA, a 40-plus year law that has kept generations of Native children connected to their families and communities. The plaintiffs in the Supreme Court case, Jennifer and Chad Brackeen, are a white couple living in Texas who want to adopt a now 4-year-old girl whose birth mother is Navajo. To briefly explain, this act was initially passed in 1978 with the purpose of helping protect indigenous children in the United States. Specifically, it targeted the forcible removal of Native American children from their homes and restricted the adoption process. Before the ICWA, an alarming number of indigenous children were being wrongfully taken from their homes and placed into adoption agencies. It is estimated that anywhere from 25 to 35% of children were removed from their homes, with most of those removed placed in non-native homes. Legal activists argue that Brackeen v. Holland could inhibit Native American children's contact with their religious traditions, while extending a long history of white Christian efforts to convert Native children and remove them from their homes and families. Ultimately, if the Supreme Court makes the decision to overturn the ICWA, states would regain the control to remove Native children from their families. This would put the overall existence and longevity of tribes at risk. We need the preservation of Native American culture and heritage. The next possible genocide of the indigenous and Native American people is upon us, and we cannot let it happen. So what can we do? Contact your local representatives, your Native Nation, and the news media. Spread awareness through social media by sharing this video and commenting. Thank you.